Okay, chapter 5 deals with working with linear systems of linear equations. So you've been selected to drive a prize patrol cart and place prizes for the competing team's predetermined paths. You know the team's routes and you can only make one pass. So you're going to have to make uh, a pass that's going to go through all four of their paths where you can place the items. So this is going to be a graphing. So section 5.1 of chapter 5 will deal with graphing to solve equations. You're giving routes for each team. They are in almost standard form except for number 2, which has a negative in front. Again, you can solve each equation for y to get them in slope-intercept form, or you can use the Desmos graphing software to graph the equations and then transfer them to what you're going to need to do. So here's the main part of the assignment and what you need to do. So you're going to sketch the graphs of the four teams. So again, you can get some graph paper and do this on. I have it available in my classroom, or you can get graph paper and find it anywhere on the internet. You could also do a cut and paste if you decide to use Desmos and picture out the paths and have it to the same scale. So you would go from -8 to 8 on all directions. So sketch the graphs of the four teams. Determine the equation of your path and identify the coordinates you will place your prizes. Show your work and list the coordinates to the nearest tenth. Remember, everything must be a straight line. So the first step is for you to go ahead and plot each team's path on the graph and then determine what your equation will be. Sometimes it might be easy just to do a vertical or a horizontal line, y equals or x equals. If you wish to do a sloped line, you can do that. One of the advantages of using Desmos is that when you have paths cross, it will mark with a point which you can determine the coordinates of that point. So you put the location of the prizes as those coordinates. Lastly, you need to explain how you decided on the location of your equation. Describe where another option might be, so you need to put something else that could be used. Based on where the prizes are hidden, which team do you think might find the prizes first and why? So you need to think a little bit about that based upon the graph. And explain a few things you had to consider when you made your choice. So what did you have to consider when you chose your line path and how you wanted to do that? Um, Again, this is something that you're going to have a little bit of discretion on your own. There's no rights or wrongs, but you need to use precision in your graphing. You need to use a description and be as detailed as possible in how you do things.